we back with another video. Another one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's best toast. So first we actually got to turn it on. You put it to high, and then you grab some white bread, just like this, and then grab a fork, get some butter, and just yeet that thing in there. And we just do this. And then once you have that butter on, first thing you do is you toss it on there. And you just get one side all buttery. And then, owie, that is warm or arm, so I should probably not do that. And then we're gonna take it like that and flip it. And then we let that cook. Okay. And get us a really small piece of butter. And just dab it on there. And once that is done, you check how the other side looks. Oh, good. So then I put it on the plate, grab a little bit more butter. Okay, 1 second. So then I put the butter on there, and I take some Wisconsin raw honey. It's legit the best honey for this stuff. And then open it up, and then 1 second, put honey on, and then it looks like that. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.